let's get started here. What's up, online shoppers? I've got two awesome manual spreaders. Now these are hand spreaders by Scotts, but one of them is fully manual and one of them is battery powered. Let's take a look at both of them and decide which one is best for you. This one here is the Scotts Manual Wizz Spreader, and it is going to broadcast particulate, grass, seed, salt, sand, ice melt, fertilizer in an area up to 1,500 square feet. All you have to do is put the particulate in here, hold it by the handle right here. You've got a release paddle right here that's going to open up the trap door that lets the particulate out, and crank your handle so that it's evenly dispersed. You can see when you turn the handle that it moves this little paddle here, and this is your broadcast spreader right there. Inside here is also an agitator so that when you spin the handle, it turns the little paddle and prevents clumping from happening inside of the container where the particulate is contained. Now, something that's kind of cool about this is it does have an edge guard. So it's built right in, it's not adjustable, but when you are doing this and releasing the particulate, it's not going to send anything this way. It is going to broadcast it all this way and out to the left-hand side. This is not one that you can reverse. There is only one way to use this. You're going to put this in your left hand and you're going to turn the handle with your right hand like that. But a really cool feature that they have is this adjustable arm support that's going to come out this way like this. So as you're holding it, you can actually see that it supports your wrist, because it does get heavy when you put the things in here. So it's going to give you a nice option to just support your wrist while you are doing this. As well, there's a dial here that is used for controlling the size of the particulate that you're going to be releasing when you're using this hand spreader, just like this. This is the Scotts Manual Wizz hand spreader with the arm support, with the handle right here, and it's going to do 1,500 square feet per application. Now this one here is the Wizz Spreader, but it is the battery powered one. It's also the larger of the two models. This one here does 1,500 square feet. This one here does 2,500 square feet. It has battery operation. 4 AA batteries are going to power this. It's easy enough to replace them. Something I think that's really cool is that there's actually 4 screws that hold this in, so this bottom isn't just going to fall out and you're going to lose your batteries all over the lawn. It also has the same manual dial here for adjusting the size of particulate that is released from the spreader, but this one is a little different because you can actually control with their edge guard technology. This little lever right here is going to move around and give you the options for how wide you want your spray to broadcast, and that is pretty cool. As well, you have a lock here, so you don't want your Wizz spreader in operation. No matter how much you push on this handle, it's going to lock it. Once you unlock it, all you have to do is depress that button and it's going to start operating your spreader for you. Now, inside here, another nice little feature, it's got this little agitator. When you hold the handle down, it makes the agitator spin, and that of course is going to prevent clumping and make sure that you have even distribution of product. And here, this dial is going to change the amount of space you have open in here to release the particulate, just like that. You see you've got the little paddle inside here that when you depress the handle, it spins to spread out all of the material that you would have in here, and it weighs about 2 pounds. Now the nice thing is you're going to be holding it this way, so you don't have to worry about supporting it out, so you don't need the arm support like this one here has. But it is a really nice option, and it does let you cover 1,000 more square feet per application from this one to this one. And they have definitely made a difference in my lawn care routine. I love the light, compact size of this. I love the arm support I get. And I truly don't actually mind walking and turning the handle. It's kind of relaxing. And it does a great job of spreading everything. This one here has a larger capacity. I love what it can do. It's very easy to use, and I love that it is powered, not manual. So all I have to do is just squeeze the handle. What more can I say? Scotts knows lawn care. I have used these to put fertilizer in my lawn, to put grass seed in my lawn, to spread salt sand and ice melt on my walkways and patios and driveways in the wintertime, and they have never let me down. I absolutely love both of these products. They're fantastic, and at my house they are definitely family favorites. What's up everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.